Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I wanted to talk about TPK's Beginner's Online Calligraphy course. I took up calligraphy in 2017. My mother was having a 75th birthday party, and I wanted to send out invitations using fancy, pretty handwriting that you see on other invitations. My handwriting is terrible, and I knew that I could not handwrite invitations to send out, and hence my calligraphy career began. I found TPK's website and decided to take advantage of the free worksheets that were offered to see if I could learn it on my own. I still needed help. I had no idea how to hold a calligraphy pen, how to prepare a nib, how to use ink, other than a brush pen that looked like a marker. I needed a lot of help. And so I decided to purchase the online course, and Lindsay was phenomenal. Her videos are exceptional. She goes step by step to show you everything that you need, how to prepare all of your materials that you will need for a calligraphy project. And it was just an eye-opener for me and just a game changer. I've taken it on so much now that it is now a hobby of mine. I've done several projects. And I just want to thank Lindsay and her team at TPK, because without the online course, I would not have been able to do half of what I've been able to accomplish with my calligraphy. The videos are really easy to follow. She goes step by step to show you how to prepare your nib, how to use your pen and how to hold your pen, as well as even prepare your ink and how to use the ink. There are error proofs videos that she shows you if you make an error on any projects, how to correct them and turn them into the project to make it even look like it's on purpose, which I thought was awesome. I thought, how many splotches have I seen of my ink? And I was able to turn it into beautiful art. And so I really just encourage anyone to take the course. It is very easy to learn. She walks step by step and shows you different techniques, and you're even able to pick up intermediate and advanced techniques as well. I've been using the course now for about 2 or 3 years, and I'm now at advanced level. So much so, I'm able to produce art like this. So please give TPK's Online Beginners Calligraphy course a chance. You will not regret it. Thanks, Lindsay.